I'm going to show you how to download and sign up on Duolingo. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. So just go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. So it's right over here. And once you're here, look at the lower bar and search for the search and type in Duolingo. And after you do so, you would see this option of Duolingo right over here. So through this button, you would be able to download Duolingo. And once you've downloaded the app, you would see this button of open. So once you tap here, you would be led to this page. Now you can see this option of get started, and I already have an account. So if you already have an account, choose the second one, but if not, tap on get started, tap on continue, tap on continue again, and now just choose the language that you want to learn. So let's say you want to learn music, you can also do that. You also need to know how you heard about Duolingo, and there are all sorts of questions that you need to answer. So you have successfully downloaded and signed up on Duolingo. So there you go.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.